Etutuorok na isabiti ni uninesi egeo nito sabiti lo atubor. Alo sikinete na Etutuorok kana ngesi erai kanu aikeo no adoketait na bolia show ko Uganda kwape ineritor John Michael Erebu atupiton Etutuoron lo Etutuorok.
Akirone somasa ne erai Etutuorok remopira ara na baka coaches erai lui coaches lo nondosi ari no Uganda kere jitu wale ponso barara jitu wale ponso hoima jitu wale ponso kitara sori Kampala sodo bodo oki isapalo alailo region olomtuso karamoja kena teso keseja sine erai na Etutuorok ni temonikiti atukot na fofa isoma na rake da CAF erai CAF apolo kebe team wara tukot na CAF no Africa kere ngestemo ni kitosinyo Etutuorok na otoma level la CAF C so Etutuorok kakaisauni ngeseja sine o shisha kroni kamtosi emopira kroni kamtosi raute coach nuda rai adenune polono yoni kapa region.
Etutuorok lo egelegela kesi yala masi nejai atukoto na bolia shoko Uganda fufa kanu aitolomunu ainapetano.
Come from Kampala region. Yeah, I've come here to acquire a CAF C diploma coaching license so that it can help me in future and even to upgrade, you see, so that I can get some new knowledge about football because you have good instructors here who are teaching us more things.
And I basically come from Karamoja. And out of the Karamoja coaches around, we are only two. That's myself and one Ali Obanyo. This is CAF C, and I started all the way from beginners. That's about 2 to 3 years ago. Climbing to CAF D, which I also concluded in Saboti last year. And I'm happy. I'm still pursuing. Who knows, maybe the height or the limit is CAF A, because I'm saying I want to be a role model for Karamoja.
Janguno da Joseph Enyaku Etutuorok lo edit akere kotoma Etutuorok lu ajasi Etutuorok na ngesi isinyiko ikita atumunak Irish Atalanta na keche kanu ngarene keche na jokan.
Kapina jo kapana popular na ngapisa popular ni privilege ikinjo somewhere. As you know, in the whole of this or in the whole region, I'm the youngest coach and with enough experience whereby I think I will be able to develop each and every player or a player that wants to groom up with the talent and be someone. That's why I decided to come for this course to add up and Amunyelet Epenar na akini nepene jangamuna yakini dumpaka nebaka ile CAF A.
Kanuka TV is Solomon Ramu Koibuga Soroti.